For decades, Soviet sports scientists studied a training tool that Western fitness experts largely ignored. It wasn't a machine. It wasn't a classified protocol reserved for elite special forces. It was a cast iron ball with a handle that Russian peasants had been swinging in village markets for 2 centuries. And what those scientists kept finding was so inconvenient for the modern fitness industry that it never made it into the mainstream conversation, because if it did, it would expose the entire commercial gym model for what it actually is, a very expensive way to build a body that doesn't work. For most people, the honest answer is rarely or never. Every isolation machine in a commercial gym does the opposite. It removes stabilization, fixes you in a single plane, and trains your muscles to work in separation from each other. It produces a pump. It produces mirror gains, but it does not produce a body that performs. The tool that brings that principle back is centuries old and fits in one hand. And these are the 5 exercises that prove everything. If you want to build strength that actually translates to real life, hit subscribe now, because these 5 exercises will change how you train. Exercise 1. Turkish Getup. There is no machine version of this exercise, and that's the point. When U.S. Special Forces began incorporating kettlebell training into their fitness assessments, the Turkish Getup became a primary screening tool. Not the bench press, not the squat, this. Because if you can't perform a clean Turkish getup under load, your body isn't working as a coordinated system, and no amount of isolated gym strength will fix that. What sounds simple is actually a full body audit. Every joint, every stabilizer, every plane of motion is challenged in one continuous movement. The shoulder stays locked overhead under load. The hips move through full range. The core braces constantly. Your eyes stay on the kettlebell. Start lying on your back. Press the kettlebell overhead, bend the same side knee, post onto your elbow, then your hand, lift your hips, sweep your leg back into a lunge, stand up, then reverse every step. Go slow. This movement doesn't reward speed, it rewards control. If you could only choose one exercise, this would be it. Exercise 2. Goblet Squat. Holding the kettlebell at your chest forces your body into a natural upright position. Your core engages more, your hips open up, and your lower back stays protected. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest. Keep your elbows tucked, feet about shoulder width apart. Sit down between your hips, not back. Keep your chest tall. Push your knees outward. Go as deep as your mobility allows, then drive back up through your whole foot. This isn't just a leg exercise. Your entire body is working together. Exercise 3. Cross-body row. Most back exercises train you in straight lines, but real movement doesn't work that way. The cross-body row trains diagonal pulling, how your body actually generates power. Start in a bent-over position. The kettlebell begins near one ankle. Pull it across your body toward the opposite hip. That diagonal path activates your upper back, rear shoulders, and core all at once. It's not just a pulling movement, it's also training your body to resist rotation. That's real strength. Exercise 4. Kettlebell Snatch. This is one of the most powerful full-body movements you can do. It builds strength, endurance, coordination, and grip all at once. Start with the kettlebell between your legs. Drive your hips forward explosively. As the kettlebell rises, punch your hand through and lock it out overhead. The key is this: the power comes from your hips, not your arms. If your shoulder is doing all the work, you're doing it wrong. Done correctly, this becomes one of the most efficient ways to build full-body power. Exercise 5. The kettlebell swing. Everything comes back to this movement, the hip hinge. Feet shoulder-width apart, hinge at your hips. Keep your back flat. Swing the kettlebell back, then drive your hips forward hard. Your arms don't lift the weight, they just guide it. The power comes entirely from your hips. This one movement builds strength, endurance, and conditioning at the same time. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Real strength isn't built on machines, it's built through movement. When your body works as one unit, everything changes. You move better, you get stronger, you become harder to break. That's the difference. If you're ready to train that way, I've put together a simple, no-gym program built on these exact principles. But don't just watch this and move on. Take one exercise, start today. And if you want more real, no-nonsense training like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning.